What's up, guys? We're doing the auction giveaway video. I got the entire list right there, and those are the prizes plus the $50 giveaways. The list is right here, so it's gonna go 50 cash, 50 break credit, the Esposito auto, cup out of 12, the taco, I forgot his last name auto, the football guy, the Alice Accord auto. That's a P, not a no. The Dirk Graham auto, the Holstrom jersey, and the Backstrom rookie jersey. And then, so we're going to random it, and then top 10 are going to win. So, I guess I'm just going to run this like a Raz, guys. I'll go live, give you a timestamp. It's 1:32, one just turned 33 here in Denver. I got the list here, but we are going to go and get a dice. We're just going to roll it one time, and then so many times we're going to run the list. 6 times. So I'll do a timestamp after 5 and 6. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't want to get that on there. Good bit. And it's in at 133. It's 133. Third and final random sixth and final random. I used to saying 3. We got Tim and Patrick on top. John, Marty, Paul, Terry, Mark, John, Tim, and Danny. Top 10. And guys, that just goes to show Tim didn't win any auctions, but he's just in for the bids. Oops. Not what I wanted. Oh, again. Keep clicking the wrong thing. There we go. So that's how it lines up. Did I miss one? I guess I missed something. Don't worry, Danny. I'll add something for you. I'll send you something extra. That's my bad. But anyway, guys, that's what's going to go. Tim got the 50. Patrick's got the 50 break credit. John has the Esposito auto. Marty has the Stall Cup out of 10. Paul has the Taco auto. Pateri has the Secord. Mike Laval has the Derek Graham auto. T-Bockel has the Holstrom jersey. Lagondo has the Backstrom rookie jersey. And Danny, you're going to get something. Don't worry about it. Guys, thanks all for joining. Now go and bid on all of them stuff. Have a good one, guys.